everybody loves you because you're not competition. When you become competition, the people start, wait, hold on, wait.
Pull up in a monster, automobile gangster, with a bad bitch that came from Sri Lanka. Yeah, I'm in a tanga, color a Willy Wonka.
Hi guys, it's your girl Tika Rebecca and I'm back with another video. Today we're doing my blowout routine. I only do this when I'm actually styling my hair into something or if I'm going somewhere. I just posted my wash day video. Don't forget to go and check that out. If you do like these videos, make sure you give it a like and a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up to date with all the videos that I'm posting. But thank you for my 100 followers also. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. You know, small wins are always celebrated. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing my blowout routine. I don't usually do this because my hair, I'm trying to revert from using a lot of heat, but I wanted to style my hair into 2 pigtail braids. This is not the actual tutorial, that will be coming next, but this is how I blow my hair out so that I can style it easily and slick it down. So I don't know why my camera wasn't focusing, but this is the argan oil from Morocco heat protectant cream. I use this every single time. It is probably one of the best heat protectants I've used. I used 2. So I use this and I use a spray as well from Tresemme.
Even if she could, gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. For the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no book. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still write these hooks.
I will also link the products. I will try to link all the products in the description box because I don't know why my camera wasn't focusing. So I will definitely link them in the description for you guys.
I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, in and out my sessions, in and out her best friends, in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection.
So I go in with the Dyson hairdryer. I start from the bottom and go to the top. I know that a lot of the water is in my roots, but because my hair gets so tangly, I have to start from the bottom so that when I reach to the top, I could just blow it all the way straight down. As you can see what I'm doing, it's easier and it creates less knots. So yeah.
I could lift a tree up. See too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature. I jump on your song and make a label think they need you. For real, yeah. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit. We on all the bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit, on that bullshit. Maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. Maybe I should break.
I don't even put the blow dryer on the highest heat because my hair is a little bit dry, so I try not to go too hot.
Feel none, oh shit, wait a minute, think I'm starting to feel some. Where you get this motherfucking pill from? Heard they got some sanctions on my name. Heard they plotting on my name. Heard they banking on my name. I got leader in this bitch and he might spank it on a lane. I'm just put in the cut, throwing frankers on her frame. I'm a gentleman, I'm generous. I blow $500,000 on you hoes. I'm a feminist. I never put no prices on the beef until we end the shit. I pay $500,000.
This is me telling my sister to stop interrupting my videos. I feel like I'm gonna have about 3-4 videos of this girl just walking in when I'm recording. Like she just doesn't get it.
I had to cut some niggas out, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. For the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no book. I can't write my...
You can see here my hair starts to get tangly and knotty. So I go in with the Tame and Shine oil from Got To Be. This oil is so nice. I love when my hair has like a little bit of a shine to it as well. It just gives it that hydrated look.
It's closed, I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas. In and out my sessions, in and out her best friends, in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection. Yeah, whoa, whoa. All my bitches.
So I'm literally just putting braids in my head so I can get ready to style it. Guys, look, I told you, she keeps coming in my room and she doesn't close the door. So I'm like, close my door. But yeah, so I just put braids in just to leave it, just to marinate a little bit. I think they say that it's good to blow dry it before you straighten your hair or put any other heat on your hair. It's good to just blow dry it and let it settle before you do anything else to it.
Your song and make you sound like you the feature. I just on your song and make a label think they need you. For real, yeah. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit.
And I don't know if you can tell already by now, but I am recording a TikTok at the same time. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok, please go follow me on TikTok at Tika Rebecca, so you can see the video that I made doing this style.
Maybe I should do a 20, maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. Maybe I should break that 10, do a 5. Then if it gets loud, do a 5 again. If he held his tongue on that lobby, be alive again. Damn, my uncle's sister knows she raised a real one, ill one. It's been 30 minutes, I don't feel none.
But yeah, I don't know if you guys know, but my hair used to be so long, like way longer than this. I need to get back onto actually growing my hair. I think I've got a video on my channel from like 2 years ago. If you check that video, my hair was probably like past my back. It is long now, but I need to get it back to that point. I think it's because I bleached my hair why it's starting to get shorter.
Shit, I pay $500,000 for the soul. He my nemesis.
And then I go in with the Aunt Jackie's E-Blast Vitamin E and Flaxseed Nourishing Scalp Remedy. It says that it alleviates flaking and chronically dry, irritated scalp. My scalp is on its own thing right now. I don't know what it's doing, but this definitely helps to kind of like tone down the soreness and the itchiness.
Yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. I had to cut some niggas out, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. For the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no plug. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still right these hooks. All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show. Savage, say you pussy and he hit it on the nose. But that border's open, why you acting like it's closed? I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas. In and out my sessions, in and out her best friends, in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection. Yeah, whoa, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with Coral Reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Bet your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eating Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea. Powder Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up. See too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature. I jump on your song and make a label think they need you. For real, yeah. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit. We on all the bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, 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 all the bullshit. Damn, maybe I should do a 20, maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. Maybe I should break that 10, do a 5. Then if it gets loud, do a 5 again. If he held his tongue on that lobby, be alive again. Damn, my uncle's sister knows she raised a real one, ill one. It's been 30 minutes, I don't feel none. Oh shit, wait a minute, think I'm starting to feel some. Where you get this motherfucking pill from? Heard they got some sanctions on my name. Heard they plotting on my name. Heard they banking on my name. I got leader in this bitch and he might spank it on a lane. I'm just put in the cut, throwing frankers on her frame. a gentleman, I'm generous. I blow $500,000 on you hoes, I'm a feminist. I never put no prices on the beef until we end the shit. I pay $500,000 for his soul, he my nemesis. On that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit, okay. On that bullshit, on that bullshit. You don't know the bullshit, okay. On that bullshit. Yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. I had to cut some niggas out, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you no attention, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no book. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still right these hooks. All time to get exposed, game. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show. Savage, say you pussy and he hit it on the nose. But that border's open, why you acting like it's closed? I don't know. Y'all be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas. Or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection. Yeah, whoa, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with Coral Reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eating Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here balling with the Ria.
So yes, this is the end of the video. I've just given myself 2 braids to get ready to do my hair. I will be uploading a video next to show you guys the hairstyle that I did. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. Turn your notification bell on so you can be updated when I do drop that video. And thank you guys for watching.